The Iranian Navy took delivery of 42 new, upgraded and overhauled weapons and watercraft in a ceremony, the official news agency IRNA reported. The ceremony was held in the southern port city of Bandar Abbas and was attended by Iranian Army's Chief Commander Abdolrahim Mousavi and Navy Commander Shahram Irani. The new military gear unveiled at the ceremony included overhauled domestically developed guided missile cruisers, 2 Azarakhsh Thunderbolt speedboats, a rocket launcher, minesweeper helicopters and a hovercraft, technical commander of Iran's Navy Abbas Fazel-Nia said. He added among the upgraded weapons and watercraft were the homegrown Shahram destroyer, equipped with tethered drones and Sanjar unmanned aerial vehicles, the domestically developed Bavar drones furnished with 5 radar seekers, the Shahram destroyer with medium-range Sayed 3, Hunter 3, and command air defense systems mounted on it, the homegrown Alborz destroyer, with an increased number of cruise missile launchers, and hovercrafts, equipped with the Nasser missile system. The commander said some of the other weaponry included cruise missiles, electric torpedoes, smart naval mines, homegrown cannon projectiles, missile guidance systems and underwater weapons. Meanwhile, Iran Navy to soon announce new achievement in major mission. Iranian Navy Commander Rear Admiral Shahram Irani says the force has a major mission on its agenda and its new achievement in international waters will soon be announced. Currently, we have a major mission on our agenda where we are accomplishing its decision-making process, and we will bring our efforts to a conclusion soon, and will witness another achievement by this force, Irani told reporters on Friday. Amid the Western attempts to portray the Indian Ocean as unsafe following Yemen's anti-Israel operations, the commander noted that the Iranian naval forces have increased their presence in the area. Despite the fact that the enemy is trying to portray the northern part of the Indian Ocean, particularly the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, as unsafe, the naval forces fleets are still present in this maritime area, not in the same way as before, but in a strengthened manner to secure the shipping. He noted that all ships other than Israel-related vessels are navigating the ocean safely. In addition, Iran Navy equipped with cutting-edge drones. Commander said, the Army Navy has successfully integrated some of the most advanced drones out there. This has significantly increased our capabilities and readiness, Rear Admiral Shahram Irani said during a visit to an Army base in Surjan, Kerman. The commander noted that a series of new equipment will join the Navy's fleet in the near future, which will help maintain and promote its operational capabilities. Iran has made a name for itself in the drone industry in the past few years. Military analysts believe Iranian drones are among the best in the world due to their low costs and high effectiveness. The Shahd 136 kamikaze drones, despite belonging to the older generations of Iranian-made drones, are especially popular with buyers, who are reportedly seeking to purchase the weapons from all across Asia, Europe, and South America. On Tuesday, Lebanon's Hezbollah resistance movement released a 9-minute-long and high-quality video taken by a drone that had been flown inside the occupied territories. The drone, codenamed Hud-Hud, is believed to be a copy of the Iranian Mohajer Foruv, a weapon that's already been in use for several years. The Lebanese drone flew over the port of Haifa in the occupied territory, filmed strategic sites, and returned to its departing point unscathed. Iranian presence to be boosted in oceans around the world. Elsewhere in his comments, Rear Admiral Irani also emphasized the Iranian Navy's ongoing efforts to expand its global presence. We are preparing to expand our maritime capabilities, with a focus on effective presence in all oceans, he stated, adding that the Navy's achievements are a source of pride for the people in the nation, serving as a representation of Iran on the global stage. The Iranian Navy has undergone an unprecedented period of modernization and expansion in the past decade, marking a milestone in its capabilities. For the first time in Iran's naval history, The Iranian Navy's 86th flotilla completed a round-the-world voyage in 2023. The 360 degrees expedition took a total of 8 months, with the flotilla sailing 63,000 kilometers and crossing the equator 4 times. Shortly after the successful trip, Tehran announced that it will be establishing a base in the South Pole.